and welcome back to part two of Sarah's Dollhouse Diary. This is going to be a very short video, so it's probably the shortest video I've ever made, but it's just like a wee recap and a catch up of what's to come. In this video here, you'll see me sanding down, or not sanding down the boards, that'll be the next video. You'll see me doing a bit of the decorating, getting things in place and stuff like that. They're up to the point where it is now. Before we progress to the sanding down of the boards, and then what we'll be doing then, we'll be working on the windows, and that's going to be pretty interesting because we've got to ask to pull the old ones off, put new ones on, just to keep everything straight, because everything's sort of, not everything's sort of square, but it's just slightly off, and I prefer it to be pinpoint perfect, especially for this here job. So I'm going to leave it at that there for now, and not gamble on. I'm going to keep a short video and see what you think at the end of it, and I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for coming back if you've watched the first one. Alright, cheers now, bye. Right, now here folks, I normally spray with the air gun, but I've come across this here hand aerosol, which I've been told is quite good, so I'm going to have a go with that there. So I've already sprayed one room, and I'm about to spray the other. All sealed off the mask. Right folks, while all this is drying, I thought I'll take you into the workshop here, and we'll see, sorry I'm squeezing around everything, we'll see how the boards are drying for the skirtings. Well, they're getting better, but as you can see yourself, I'll just turn this around so you'll see where I'm pointing at. We're close, but we're not there yet, so we're still a wee bit off. We'll see how it all dries and go from there. I don't want to put too much on and really darken them up, because this here is the colour of the other skirtings. I might need a wee watered down coat on after that there. I say watered down, done with spirits. But I'll wait till that's fully dry and we'll see. We'll get back to spraying the rest of the walls here. Right folks, here I'm just going to put the wallpaper in this room here. So I'm only wallpapering one room at the minute because there is actually two rooms wallpapered already, and the attic space now. People will suggest all different ways of doing this here, but I can assure you, in my experience, see the foot stick is as handy as anything, so it is. You're just going to make sure you get exactly where you need to go to. All edges first, just the same as anything. Try and cover as much as you can, because if you don't, you'll end up with like you see when it's dried, you'll see like wee markings. And here I'm just taking the wallpaper and Just making sure the edge is got right to the edge, because we're going up against the archive here. We should have maybe, in hindsight, done that there beforehand, but I wasn't actually intending at the time to put wallpaper on this build. There we are. In for now. Chop this piece off again at the moment. The good final smooth down. And for those of you who are not keeping up, the reason why there's a gap at the bottom there is because the skirting's going to be going on the bottom. So that's how I've done the wallpaper the whole way around. Just this here room here. And there's a dog kicking off or something. But and then on this room here, which we done earlier, this is where the as I say, the decorative plinths will go around the wall there. I'm not going to put them on now, and then sure you'll come back and you'll see once I get the picture reels in and stuff like that there. I think it's going to look tremendous, so it is. But I've got to get on with the wallpaper at the minute. So, how you doing, folks? Well, I'm going to finish this here video off now of Sara's Dollhouse Diary. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen so far. Content's not as much as what I normally put into it because it's a diary as such, and I wanted Sara to have a record of it, but I thought I'd just put it on the channel anyway to see if any of you guys liked it as well. It's a restoration as opposed to a build, but I'm really enjoying this film, and I hope Sara enjoys it as well. Hope she likes the wallpaper because I didn't tell her about that. See you later. Thank you. Bye bye.
Since it falls into